Today is January 6, 2019. The camera doesn't seem to be picking this up. Okay, there we go. It's 72 degrees in here, 81% humidity. And boy, I am feeling it. It is warm because of the humidity. So I need to go home and change clothes because I have a sweatpants on. But today's episode will be transforming the living room. We are going to paint the living room today. Awesome. And I've put plastic wrap over this because I want to keep it natural. I want it to kind of represent a little fireplace. I think will be cute. The rest of it will be painted. And I still have to finish sanding down this wall. I started last time I was in here, but I didn't get it finished. So I got to finish that and then start painting. Awesome. So I will see y'all in a little bit. Let's go back and actually I need to take pictures, don't I? We'll go back here, go through the kitchen, take a look forward. And yes, I still have stuff in here, but that's part of renovating. So there you go. That's what the living room looks like right now. Kitchen will be next, and the kitchen will be my last room to paint. The kitchen will be, I ran that together. The kitchen will be my last room to paint. Here you go, I am painting. I've already got the interior done. Well, not done, first coat. And now I'm painting the exterior. And I taped off the radio. The overhead cabinet now has its first coat of paint. And so far with this paint, I've only had to do 2 coats, which is great. So I still have to paint the underside of it. And then I'm going to paint this top rail the gray color also. And the back of the fireplace. And this wall by the fridge, by the door. That part is painted, first coat. This part is painted, first coat. I have one more wall to paint in the gray color, which will be this wall, the entry wall. There we go. I got the top, all the gray finished. Well, first coat, that is. So there we go. How's it look? And was going to paint these little things, but they're pretty, no, they're not in good shape. So I'll just tear that off and put some other kind of material there. Same on the other side. Isn't that one area? Can't catch it too dark. It clouded over today. It was supposed to be sunny, but nope, it clouded over. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to this wall, which will be another color. Okay. There we go. This is just the first coat. How's it look? Hope it shows up. It's really dark in the video. There you go. Some places I couldn't reach with the roller, so I had to hand paint, so that'll take a few more extra coats. But yeah, it's looking pretty decent. Looks bigger, less depressing with that dark color. And it'll be even nicer when I get a wall in. Okay, I still have some extra time, so I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of white paint inside the cabinet doors.